Today we will be testing a 5-minute scalping strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a 5-minute scalping strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 279 different strategies, with 85 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 87% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator. And so far, since we've been keeping track, it has outperformed 170 of the other strategies that we have put it up against, every single one so far. We've also tested a total of 1,006 indicators, with 422 of them being winners. Alright, as I said, today we'll be testing a 5-minute scalping strategy. And so the source video says he could make $2 million with this free indicator. Easy trading strategy. And so, of course, we're going to put this to the test and see what we can get out of it. Now, of course, we're not going to be able to test whether or not you can make $2 million off of this, but it is a historical fact that the creator of this indicator was able to do that. And so what we'll do is just go ahead and hide these two indicators here. The first indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the Darvis box indicator. It's going to be this one right here, the Darvis box buy and sell. Go ahead and add that to the screen, and it'll look like this right here. And so we will keep the settings on this on the default, so everything stays the same. And then the next indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the Andean oscillator, this one right here. You're going to go ahead and add that to the screen, and once again this one stays on the default settings, except for under the styles I'm going to go in and change the bullish component to a little bit brighter green and bump up the line weight. And under the bearish component, I'm going to change that to a more vibrant red and bump up the opacity. Go ahead and click OK, and it should look as I have on screen now. So what we're looking for is when the Darvis box indicator gives us a sell signal like this right here. And then we're going to look down to the Andean oscillator, and we want the red line of the Andean oscillator to be above the orange line and the green line. And when those line up like so, that's going to be our signal to enter into a short. We're going to put our trade right here. We're going to put our stop at the, we'll get back in place there. Put our stop at the Darvis box green line right here, the upper line. And then we're going to target a 1 to 1.5 right there. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see how it plays out. So it takes a little bit, but then we make this push to the downside, getting us to our take profit. And for a long trade, what we are looking for is a buy signal from the Darvis box indicator. And when we get that buy signal, we're going to look down to the Andean oscillator, and we want the green line to be above the orange and the red line. And when those two line up, that's going to be our signal to enter into a long. We're going to put our trade right there. Put our stop at the lower line this time, the red lower line, and we're going to target that 1 to 1.5 risk reward right about there. Let's play this one forward and see how it plays out. And we make a nice steady climb up, getting us to our take profit once again. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far on the channel. It has been able to maintain consistently in the mid 80% win rate. In the upper corner, you will find a link to the video where you can view the strategy. We'll also put a thumbnail up of the video on screen now, and I will also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. All right, let's go ahead and go over the numbers on this strategy. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do. Out of those 50 trades, we got 24 winning trades and 26 losing trades, putting it at a 48% win rate. With the 1 to 1.5 risk reward, if you were looking to gain $600 per winning trade, total gain would have been $14,400. On the losing side, you'd have been risking $400 per losing trade. Total drawdown would have been $10,400. For an overall gain of $4,000 altogether. So not a horrible strategy by any means. Now, will it make you $2 million? I'm not really sure. Guess it has the possibility. Compare that to the Academy of Forex indicator during the same period of time. We did 48 trades altogether. We had 38 winning trades and 10 losing trades, putting it at a 79% win rate. If you're looking to gain the same $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $22,800 on the losing side. You'd have lost $12,000. That is a total gain of $10,800. And so, decently better results than this strategy, but the strategy is a trend following strategy, and the Academy Forex indicator is a reversal strategy. So you can combine the two to really maximize your ability to earn in the market. If you're interested in the Academy of Forex indicator, you can get a free trial when you sign up for our Patreon down below. Once the free trial is over, it's only $15 a month to maintain access to the indicator. You do have to maintain your Patreon status, but still super cheap for a profitable, efficient trading indicator. Let's go ahead and go over the weekly signals. So this is using the Academy of Forex indicator on these 4 Forex pairs and this one crypto coin. This is on the 30-minute time frame. Each week we are keeping track of the trades the Academy of Forex indicator has signaled. And so this last week on the Forex pairs, we did 5 trades altogether. We had 3 winning trades and 2 losing trades, putting it at a 58% win rate. That would have been a gain of $600. On the crypto coin, we had 4 trades, 3 winning, 1 losing, a 75% win rate, and a gain of $1,200. That would have put us up for the week $1,800. And so you can see more stats on the strategy here and the growth of the equity there. There's a really good stuff from the Academy of Forex indicator. All right, that's it for the strategy here. This one's going to go on the yes list, and we'll move on to the next video from here.